Hey, what's up, guys? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. We're here with Ramon at his shop, and we're gonna make a couple of beanies. And I'm gonna show you around the shop. Is really cool. I really like their setup. Everything that they have in here is like super clean compared to my shop. so can you give me your name and who do you work for?
Ramon, Embroidery Image. So boss lady's up in front. You'll see her in a minute. She's the one eating the burrito.
So when he sees the boss lady, that means I don't want to talk to you guys. You know, go somewhere else. But yeah, this is really cool. Let me show you around because their setup is really cool. I really like the way they have it set up.
I just make the things look good.
Hi, my name is Fabiola Plata and I'm the owner of Embroidery Image, and we've been here for, well, it's been established since 2003, and then my husband and I took over in September of 2017, and we've been here ever since with our amazing employees, Ramon and Monica, and yeah. And this is our shop. This is our home, away from home. Pretty much.
Do you like it?
As you can tell. Yeah.
So how do you like doing embroidery? Because this is mainly what you do, right?
Yeah, it's all we do is embroidery. I mean, I don't necessarily work the machines. I do all the admin, but it's been good so far. It's amazing. I think it's a specialty service that a lot of people want, and yeah, I think it's so far so good.
So it's really nice, right?
Yeah, it is.
Would you recommend somebody starting a business like this?
I would. It's just one of those things that it's like any other business. You have to be just willing to take the risk and go with it, make the adjustments, and make as you go, and just go with whatever's trending or whatever's in, and just go from there. Like, we just can't stick to the same thing. It's just always, things always change. There's always certain requests. Like right now, the big thing is hats with patches on them, and then they'll change probably, you know, come the fall or whatnot. So you just have to make those adjustments. And if you're willing to make adjustments and changes, and I think it's a go, and you'll be good and successful. Yeah.
What about starting up? Because a lot of people are scared about the embroidery.
Well, we were fortunate enough to get this embroidery shop from good friends of ours who were ready to retire.
So it was already up and running.
So it was already up and running. So we were very fortunate, but it's still pretty scary to put that amount of money up front, because again, you're running that risk. Like, what if it works? What if it doesn't work? But again, to me personally, it's like, if you're gonna go into being a business owner, you have to have that mentality of willing to take that risk and doing your best and busting your butt off to make it work and do whatever it takes. So
what kind of background did you have before you came into embroidery?
So I have a degree in business management from Fresno State. Go Bulldogs. But before that, I actually did something completely off, which is I did HR for a long time, and I managed 2 occupational health clinics. And then my husband has always worked with businesses. He manages what Main Street, it's called Main Street Oceanside, which there's a lot of main streets around California and around the country, so he's familiar with the whole business perspective of it as well. So I mean, again, it's the risk. If you're willing to take that risk, you just go all out, go big or go home, and just do whatever it takes, and just do it. That's my piece of advice. It's like, there's gonna be ups and downs, but I think in order to be successful, when you're down is when you need to work the hardest, and it'll show in the long run. So we're located in North County, San Diego, North County, in a city called Vista, and we're in the historic downtown Vista, at 110 South Citrus, Suite B as in boy. And yeah, we could visit us on our website, which is embroideryimage.com, or give us a call, 760-726-4167, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have. Even if you know, I'm pretty sure a lot of you own your own places, your own shops, or have a lot of questions. We'll be more than happy to answer questions you guys have about like products, machines, or you know, whatnot. I'm pretty sure Ramon will be more than willing to answer those questions as well. So we're all here to help each other be successful. So yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And now we're gonna talk to Ramon.
I like tacos. This is how much I like tacos. My emergency kid over here, my sunflower seeds. Waldo, no making fun, but yeah, we like tacos.
Waldo. Yeah, we're gonna edit that Waldo part out. Okay, so right now we're gonna make a couple of beanies.
Well, yeah, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the embroidery image logo on a couple of beanies. I have them set up, and the reason why I want to do this is because there's 2 types of beanies, and if you're not paying attention, you will mess them up. I did it just last week, but you don't need to tell anybody that. So, one of the things I do, I didn't do it that time, is mark your top.
Okay, so a lot of you, so just in case if they ask what is it that you're using, what is that?
This is just chalk,
and
Taylor's chalk.
So will that come off?
And then what doesn't come off, you just spray it
With
water. Straight water, get a rag, wipe it off, and you're good to go.
So now we're gonna make a mark it again?
Yeah, alright. Mark your tops.
And you're marking exactly where you want it, right?
Yes, this is the center. This is centered from here, and right here I just mark the center because I'm going to bring it up and move the machine to, when I trace it, it'll see right.
I can tell that's not center.
It's center?
Just
Center?
I'm just messing with you.
So, okay, so we have the wash away, tear away on the back, and we're going to put the water soluble topping on the top.
And that one is for?
This is for, well, knits, beanies, towels, anything that bushes out your stockings, Christmas stockings that have a lot of fuzz on it. It mats everything down. So when you embroider, all the naps or the fur doesn't stick through the stitching. So mainly the satin stitch and the contour stitch, it doesn't.
So to hold them down?
Yes. This is why I love these hoops so much. Put this down. And that's it. That's it. Before I move it, this is just a marker. It'll come right off with the dry erase marker. It'll come right off with the Selby top. And I'm just marking where my center was and where the top was. So when I take it to the machine, I'm not trying to find it. So we're going to come over to the machine. Now, this is one of the things I saw off of YouTube too, and it's helped me out a lot because I have under here not checked the arm and got it stuck when I first started. So what I do now is I grab it and just.
Oh, that's a really good trick.
Now
Cool.
you won't sew it closed. This is the tearaway. Check this out. Tearaway. Just saying.
Show the bottle again. What is it that you're using?
It's Jack. Oh, number's what, 7? It's just water, people.
Yeah.
It's just water.
So, that's just water, okay? Don't go in there putting Jack Daniels. I don't have any Jack Daniels. Can I put 1800? Yes, you can. Don't be spraying it in your mouth. So can you explain why you're doing that?
Yeah, so the topping we put on there is water soluble. So to get everything out all from inside, we just spray it down with the water. It gets all gooey. We get the rag, put it on top, and it'll stick to the rag as soon as you pull it off. Everything will come straight off.
There you go. That's a pro move.
So now when we're here, you get your tools. And you go through and just pull out the little stitches. Clean them all up.
So okay guys, so if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can still give it a thumbs up. This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs at the embroidery image with
Ramon the Cholo. Give him a thumbs up.
He's not a cholo. He's more like a wannabe. But okay, let's give it to him.
Raider Nation. One nation, one love.
And
Lola. And give it a thumbs up. No, Raider Nation too.
oh, she had to ruin the video. Okay guys, so if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you need any embroidery done, don't forget to check out the embroidery image. Again, I will put up the links on the video below so you can visit either in person at the store or online. So later, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching, guys.
Sounds right, but to tell you the truth, you'd have to ask Boss Lady. I just make the things look good.